Now it's time to address the elephant in the room, or should I say the coal plant in the room. The traditional thermal power industry, heavily reliant on coal, is facing some tough times. With concerns about climate change and air pollution reaching a fever pitch, governments and companies are shifting away from coal-fired power plants faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Look, I get it. It's tough to see an industry that's been around for so long decline. But the writing's on the wall, and it's time to adapt. The good news is that the skills you've gained in this sector, like thermodynamics and power plant operations, are transferable to the renewable energy sector. So, instead of fearing the change, embrace it. Become a pioneer in solar, wind, or geothermal energy. Remember that whole electric vehicle revolution we talked about earlier? Well, it's kind of a big deal. As EVs take center stage, the traditional automotive industry, particularly those focused on internal combustion engine vehicles, is feeling the heat. Jobs in engine design and manufacturing are dwindling faster than the gas mileage of a Hummer stuck in traffic. But hey, before you hit the panic button, remember that the automotive industry is all about innovation and adaptation. This is the perfect opportunity to upskill and reinvent yourself. Dive into the world of EV or hybrid systems engineering, learn about battery technology, and become a master of electric drivetrains. The future of transportation is here, and it's time to jump on board. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the CAD room. Two-dimensional drafting. Look, I get it. AutoCAD is a classic for a reason, but the world of design is moving towards three-dimensional modeling and simulation. Companies are looking for engineers who can create immersive, realistic designs and simulate how things work in the virtual world before they even think about building them in the real one. So, if you're still rocking only two-dimensional CAD skills, it's time to level up. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. There are tons of great three-dimensional CAD software packages out there, like SolidWorks, CATIA, and Autodesk Inventor. Master these tools, learn about finite element analysis for simulation, and you'll be back in the game in no time. Let's face it, operating heavy machinery manually can be tough, dangerous work. But with the rise of automation and CNC machines, a lot of these tasks are becoming safer, more efficient, and dare I say, a little less back-breaking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mark, are you saying robots are coming for my job? And the answer is, maybe. But here's the good news. You can adapt. Instead of seeing this as a threat, look at it as an opportunity to become the master of these machines. Learn CNC programming, become a skilled machinist, and you'll be the one calling the shots. Remember the days when factory maintenance meant running around with a toolbox, putting out fires left and right? Yeah, those days are fading faster than a cheap pair of jeans. With the rise of predictive maintenance and smart sensors, factories are moving towards anticipating problems before they even occur. So, instead of being a reactive fix-it person, you have the opportunity to become a proactive, data-driven maintenance guru. Learn about sensor technologies, dive into the world of data analytics, and become a master of predictive maintenance. Trust me, your future self will thank you. The shipbuilding and naval engineering sectors in India are facing some choppy waters. Limited investment and a slower pace of modernization have left these industries trailing behind their global counterparts. But hey, every storm eventually runs out of rain, right? This is the perfect time to explore new horizons within the maritime domain. Think about specializing in marine automation, where you can be at the forefront of developing autonomous ships and underwater vehicles, or ride the wave of renewable energy by venturing into the design and installation of offshore wind or tidal energy systems. So there you have it, the good, the bad, and the exciting future of mechanical engineering. As you can see, the field is undergoing a major transformation, and those who adapt and embrace the change will be the ones who thrive. Whether you're a student just starting or a seasoned engineer looking to switch things up, remember that continuous learning is the name of the game. Upskill, embrace interdisciplinary roles, and always be on the lookout for emerging trends. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and explore new territories within the vast world of mechanical engineering. And hey, remember, while some doors may be closing, new ones are opening all the time. The key is to be prepared, be adaptable, and most importantly, be excited. The future is full of opportunities for those who dare to seize them. Now get out there and build something amazing. Until next time, keep those engineering brains